My name is Reaney. I'm Chair of Lipid Quality and Utilization at the University of Saskatchewan, Department of Agriculture and Bioresources. Pulses and pulse fractions have been recently used as milk and egg replacements. For this purpose, we investigated the use of Aquafaba for milk and egg replacement. Aquafaba is the water remaining from canned chickpeas. This water contains components that can thicken food products and stabilize food foams and emulsions. There are many recipes on the internet which describe the use of Aquafaba in food products. However, people often report that they could not repeat recipes that they found on the internet and achieve the same properties of Aquafaba that other users have achieved. The overall goal of our study was to investigate the correlation between Aquafaba composition, density, viscosity, and foaming properties. NMR and electrophoresis were used to study Aquafaba composition. There is a procedure used by all manufacturers producing canned chickpeas. This involves first sorting the seed for quality to remove undesirable seed. Optionally, the seed is rinsed with water to remove surface contamination. For our purposes, the seed is submerged in water for a few seconds, and then the water is immediately drained. After the seed is rinsed, the seed is immersed in 2 volumes of water or more to allow it to expand and fully hydrate. This soaking is called steeping. After soaking, the seeds have expanded and are ready to can. The seeds are comparatively softer and more fragile and must be handled appropriately. This involves, first of all, sorting the seeds for quality to remove undesirable seeds.